Hello guys! Hi! Welcome to Bujik Bonaventure channel. Hi! Anyway, today I'm gonna do cooking. So what I'm cooking today is chicken with orange sauce. So okay, first thing is I'm gonna tell you how to do it and how to prepare this chicken. It's very easy and simple, and also it's very convenient in your budget. So okay guys, aside that it's healthy, it's also more cheaper for a meal or lunch. So okay, let's see, shall we? Okay, 1 onions, 1 lime, and then 2 oranges, and 2 cloves of garlic. Anyway, earlier it's just the garlic jump here. And also 1 tablespoon butter. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you one by one how to prepare. So okay, this is 400 grams chicken breast. Okay, it's already clean, this chicken breast, and it's sliced already. So okay, I'm gonna put it here one by one. But if this is too this slices is too big for you, then you can slice more half, you know, it's up to you guys. Okay, so what we're gonna do is 1 teaspoon salt. Okay, just 1 teaspoon salt. Okay, and then next is black pepper to taste. Okay, so anyway, I like black pepper in my food. When every time I cook or any kind of food, then black pepper is absolutely, salt and pepper is very good match. So okay, you just like this. It's like marinating your chicken. So okay, and then the next is we're gonna chop our garlic. Okay, now guys, this is our garlic. I already crunched the garlic, so put the garlic here. Okay, so and then mix the garlic here. Okay, so just wait for 5 minutes to leave this all here. Okay, just 5 minutes only before we're gonna fry in the pan. Okay. Okay guys, we're gonna put also our lime juice. Okay. Okay, so we just mix all together. So all the juice and the garlic and the pepper and the salt mix thoroughly. Yan. Okay guys, now the pan is already heated. Lagyan natin siya ng konting oil. Okay? Ayan, konting oil. Just sprinkle like that. Okay, now just let's fry the chicken. Ayan na siya guys. So we just waited the chicken to get brown. So when it's get brown, then we're gonna set aside as well. So we're gonna do our more sauce. So, we're gonna make sauce pag brown na ang chicken natin. So, hintayin natin na magiging brown ang ating chicken. Okay? So, ganyan lang siya kasimple. Happy cooking, happy life. So, okay guys, sa mga bago dyan sa aking channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and keep watching and sharing for more videos. Okay guys, ayan na siya. So, done na ang ating chicken. Madali lang naman maluto ang chicken, di ba? So, ayan na siya. So, we just set this aside. Okay. Okay, now guys, we're gonna fry our onions. Okay. I'm using the same pan because the sauce from the chicken is still there. So, onions and garlic is very good match. So, okay. So, at least, yung lasa, hindi mawawala. Andyan pa rin. So, we're just waiting now the onions to get brown. Our onions is ready. We're gonna set this aside, okay? Wow. So, that's it. Just like that. Okay? Now, we're gonna proceed to the next procedure. Okay, guys. Here's our 1 tablespoon butter. So, we're just gonna put the butter around here. Okay. So, we just wait the butter until it's all melted. And then 1 cup of orange juice. Okay. And then 1 tablespoon plain flour. Okay guys, our sauce is really thickened already, so we're gonna put our chicken back in. Okay. So, okay guys, we're gonna put our onions now. Okay. So we're just gonna wait for 15 minutes. And then our chicken is already done and cooked. And it's ready to serve. You know guys, you should try this at home. Just just follow my recipes, my video. You will be absolutely amazed the result, because honestly, it tastes very nice. Ang sarap naman po. Ang sarap po. So, I hope you keep watching my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and share and comment. So, you know, and I will get back to you as well. So, thank you for watching, and please keep in touch. Yeah. Okay guys, the last is parsley. We just sprinkle the parsley. So, okay, that's the parsley to add more the flavor of your chicken. So, ayan siya guys. Ready na to serve our chicken with orange sauce. Ayan na, napaka-simple lang po. It's very simple and easy to follow. So, I hope you enjoy. Bon appetit. Oh, there you go. Voila. Thank you for watching.
No.
Okay guys, I enjoyed cooking today, honestly. So, here I am, the finished food that I cooked today. So, it smells nice as well. So anyway, let's try, okay? Right. Honestly, this food guys, honestly tastes beautiful. So anyway, if you want rice, you can, and also if you want with pasta, you can as well. So it's up to you what you want to eat with this, okay? So for me, I just love this with pasta. So to those people also who love rice, then you can have rice as well. But to be honest with you guys, I love eating this because it tastes beautiful. I cook nicely as well, so it's just my imagination today for cooking this dish. Actually, it works. Sure, my husband will happy to eat this. Anyway guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button below to get more notifications when I download my new videos. So okay, thank you for tuning in.